Guys, may tanong lang ako sa inyo. Among the stock market, the icon o yung mga stock market guru, who do you like most? Sino mas kilala mo? For me, there's an four icon guru or guru when it comes to stock market. No? Nandiyan si Warren Buffett, si Jess Livermore, si Benjamin Graham, and of course, si George Soros. So, ayan yung mga parang pag pinag-uusapan yung mga stocks, yan yung mga pangalan na lalabas. Pero ang tanong, ano ba talaga ang sikreto ng mga gurus na to at bakit sila successful? So, pag-usapan natin yan dito sa Bern to be. Guys, welcome back. Ito na nga, pag-uusapan natin. Bakit nga ba successful itong mga stock gurus na to? And how they become more iconic at how they build millions of dollars sa kanilang paano sila nakilala and how they become rich, no? So, guys, unang-una, they know how to time the market. Alam nila when to buy and when to sell. And that is the basic skill that we must understand. So bago natin pag-usapan yan, I encourage you to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated ka sa mga video na upload ko. So unang-una, buy low, sell high. That's the most basic thing that you may already heard o narinig mo na, di ba? Napaka-simple, napakadaling sabihin. Pero, ang tanong naman, gaano ba kasimple at gaano kadaling gawin yung buy low, sell high? And to be honest with you guys, yan yung naging sikreto ng mga stock market guru. Yung mga sikreto kung bakit ka talaga kumikita. And alam naman natin na kaya ka kumikita sa stock market ay when you buy a stocks at a very low price and you sell it in a very high price. So yun naman talaga, you don't buy a stocks at a high and sell it low. Other way, you're just wasting your money, di ba? Kung mayaman ka, you can make it. But, of course, it happened to you, lalo na kung nagsisimula ka sa stock market. And, to be honest with you, guys, nangyari din sa akin yan because I don't really know how can I identify a stocks that is very low and how can I identify in stocks na masyado na siyang mahal. So, guys, eto lang. Unang-una, when the stocks kailangan when buying stocks, kailangan meron kang fundamental and technical analysis. But question, eto may karaniwang tinatanong to sa akin, can I still buy stocks without doing a fundamental analysis? Of course naman. Buying stocks without fundamental analysis is purely technical, using chart. Because usually, I use chart to execute my plan. And it's also identify when is the best price na para bumili ako ng stocks and when is the best price that I can sell. So, dyan napapasok yung technical analysis mo, yung support resistance, at kung anong indicator ang fit sa'yo o yung anong indicator pa ginagamit mo. So, yan yung pag-usap. Pangalawa, yung fundamental analysis, how it can help you in buying stocks. Guys, this vlog, I will just share how I buy, how I sell the stocks. Tama, okay lang, di ba? So, it's not a recommendation. Maaring fit sa'yo, maaring hindi. Pero, this is what I did. And I hope na kapag sinare ko to, sana makatulong sa'yo. First thing I did is, I check the stocks. What is trending, I really have the screener kung ano yung papasok sa akin. Then, I will check their fundamental analysis. When it says fundamental, dito kasi, kapag sinasabing in a layman's term, fundamental gives you a number na mura siya, mahal. And numbers, alam naman, sabi nga ng iba, numbers don't lie. So, dito, ito yung sikreto nila, Warren, Buffett, nila, ng mga stock market, they know how to read numbers. They know how to read as company numbers, yung book, yung mga libro, yung mga kumpanya. They can identify that these stocks will keep on growing and this stocks is still cheap compared to the market price. Parang ganito lang yan. Yung mobile phone mo pa, iPhone, Samsung, whatever it is, kung binili mo siya ng 20,000, is that the real value? Yan ba talaga yung totoong value na kapag inassemble siya sa manufacturer, kapag pinagsama-sama mo yung materials plus the labor, yan ba talaga ang value? Of course not. Mas mahal na yan because meron na silang profit dyan. Pero, ang tinitignan mo is kung paano ka pa makakamura. And the same thing in stocks. The price is not the real value, but you're looking kung eto pa yung makakapumura sa'yo. So, for example nga, fundamental analysis. Ito yung tools mo when you can dictate which stocks cheap and which stocks is too expensive na. So, for example, si X stocks, si stocks X at si stocks Y, nabubulol-bulol pa ako, eto ba, pagka binigyan mo ng comparison in the same industry, malalaman mo anong presyo nila sa isa't isa. Kung si stocks X ay 10 pesos, si stocks Y ay 12 pesos, basically, the price in the market dictate. Ngayon, paano mo malalaman? Una mo tignan ang PE ratio niya. Ang PE ratio niya nagsasabi na mas mura. Kung si stocks X ay 10.7 ang EPS niya at si stocks Y ay 20.7, basically, mas mura na si stocks Y. And you check if the EPS or earning per share is consistent. So, earning per share, ito yung sinasabi na bawat share tumataas siya. So, kung earning per share ni stocks Y ay 5 point something at si stocks Y ay 4, so basically, mas maganda performance ni stocks Y. So, ganun mo siya titignan. Plus, yung liquidity pa, yung utang ba, kaya bang i-sustain, kaya bang bayaran. And always remember guys, sa stock, sa mga kumpanya, it's okay na umutang sila. Depends on the strategy. Umuutang sila for expansion, kaya nga sila nagbibigay din ng bond, nagbibenta ng shares. Pero kung ang utang ay mas malaki na kaysa kinikita, of course, fundamentally, hindi na siya maganda. So then, kapag na-identify mo na with the same industry, kung sino-sino, guys, medyo mainit, nagpapawisan na, kung sino-sino ang bet mo, then you go to technical analysis. In technical analysis naman, the simple thing that you can do to identify is when you can buy at the cheapest. So in order for you to identify na this is the best price to buy, this is the best buy to entry for the stocks, you must identify the support. So always buy near the support kasi yan yung nagdidictate na dito, binibili ka na ng tao. The market is buying at this price. Ngayon, kung ibibenta ka, dapat near the resistance. So, because at the resistance level, mostly, people try to sell kasi nagpa-profit taking na sila. Pero, usually, nagkakamali yung tao. Bakit? They sell on high, they sell on resistance, and they buy on the resistance, and they start selling on support, which means, nagbibenta ka na ng palugi. So, if that happens, basically, lugi ka na. Pero if the fundamental back up your trading plan, kahit bumabagsak siya, medyo matindi yung pinakahawakan mo na. Etong stocks na to, tataas at tataas siya. So, ganun mo siya tinitignan. And guys, eto lang yung pinakasimpleng term na kaya kong ipaliwanag sa inyo. I hope na eto na nga yung simple. Technical analysis is your tool when deciding when is the best time to buy and when is the best time to execute your sell. So, yan yung buy signal mo and sell signal. Samantalang ang fundamental analysis naman is the best indicator para malaman mo what is the real value of your stocks. Is your stocks performing well? Is the company performing well? Is the company still earning? Is the company or the stocks is still cheap relatively sa earnings nila per share? Diba? Sa profit, sa price nila compared to earning, still cheap ba sila? So guys, siguro for me, that's the basic tool. I know, marami pa tayong pag-uusapan tungkol dito kasi sobrang broad pa ang stocks. Even your indicator, ano ba yung dapat mong indicator? So, dapat pag-aralan mo, and the basic thing is you must understand the technical and the fundamental. And kung napanood mo na yung mga video ko, I show how can you analyze the stocks using PE ratio, using EPS, and the support resistance. But again, stock market is so complex pa yan, medyo. But we try to simplify. And kung may mga tanong ka, I encourage you to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated ka sa mga video tinitingnan. Again guys, the secret in profitable stocks is when you clearly identify its real value. It's cheap or not, plus using the technical analysis. Kasi, guys, eto pa, minsan may mga stocks na magandang fundamental, pero people are neglecting that one because the price action doesn't show any action at all. So, don't buy that one first. Hintayin mo magkaroon siya ng value, ng volume, and let's see if people kinahagat niya. But there's a lot of stocks that no fundamental, but people keep on buying this one, and it's still good because of the price action. That's purely technical naman. So, again, when buying stocks, try to understand the real value, check if it is cheap, and then try to understand when is the best support or when is the best time to entry and when is the best time to sell. Understanding this thing make you more profitable. But of course, it sounds easy, pero mahirap siya. And it needs practice, practice, and practice. So guys, once again, this is Bern nagsasabi, bawat Pilipino may kakayahang umasenso. God bless you all guys. Comment below.